In the world of mobile jaw crushers, the Wirtgen Group's new 120 Pro pre-crushes all stone types is extremely robust and impresses with its low maintenance operation.
Well, the ProLine crusher has got a lot of new technology, so it has, compared to the older MC120. So the 120 has been in the market for probably over 20 years, but this 120 Pro has got new technology like Spective touchscreen paneling, which allows us to control the whole machine, so it does basically with this new technology. Initially we have a fully independent double-deck pre-screen before the crusher, which allows us to separate the material before it goes into the actual crusher and bypass material and also pull off dirt or fine material if necessary. The jaw crusher design has been improved. We've increased the speed of the jaw and we've improved the performance of the jaw to maximize its productivity. As it goes into the jaw obviously crushes the rock down, goes down onto an optional feeder pan below the crusher, which allows us to take the material out onto the conveyor belt. The jaw has ability to adjust automatically, and it has the ability to be done by the touchscreen panel. So on the fly you can control the gap setting or close side setting of this machine. One of the new things we've done to this is a system called CFS, or Continuous Feed System. The continuous feed system allows us to monitor the fill level of the jaw and allows us to control the feed going actually into the jaw. What that does increases fuel efficiency, increases productivity, and also helps reduce wear because you're keeping that jaw full. Now, another system that we put on this machine, which is new to this model, is what we call LRS, Load Reduction System. This is a system in the back of the jaw that if something uncrushable goes into the jaw, we want that jaw to release as quick as possible, open up and dump that material without damaging the jaw. The Spective control panel allows us to monitor everything. We have WeToss, which is basically telematics, or that there's the Wirtgen Group program to monitor that, so the customer has the benefit to see everything that's going on with this jaw remotely. And also this machine tells us all about the problems that's going on with the machine, if there are any problems, and show us how we can resolve or fix that solution. The machine and the whole ProLine series is diesel electric. That's the big advantage with diesel electric, is one is fuel efficiency and the ability to turn the engine off and plug into main supply if necessary. We also have the system called Interlink, which allows us to connect this machine through onto the MC011 Pro line or other equipment that we have that the customer is using. That also helps us control the feed for the whole system, not just the individual plant. It allows us to also monitor and also allows us to control safety on the machine as well. By if emergency stop has been hit on one machine, it will shut down the whole system, so it will. Customers have seen our competitors' machines, they've seen other options in the market, they've ran other options, and when we have a chance to walk them around this machine and see the advantages and the technology is built into this machine to maximize efficiency and performance, these guys are blown away with what they actually see. It's an impressive machine, but it's also equally more impressive when you see it perform in the actual quarry itself.